What's up, Sushi Lords family? Namaste and greeting from Santosh. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna show you Asparagus Tempura Sushi roll, which we can say easily fake tempura sushi roll. For that, I'm going to use asparagus, and I have here the tempura butter mix, and it will be seems like that one. I'm gonna use these ones. Golden apples, orange, lima, avocado, cucumber, and I'm gonna use also pimento, freeze of capsicum. I have here the cibolino, onion chips, and I'm gonna use also crunchy deep fried onion, and I have here the Philadelphia. I'm gonna teach you two types of asparagus tempura sushi roll. At the moment, that is very famous sushi roll, and especially if you are making sushi at India, all of my Indian sushi lords family gonna love this. First of all, I'm gonna clean this part, as you can see here. Then here I'm gonna use boiled water, and I'm gonna wait 2-3 minutes just, okay? So it will be a little bit more soft. I'm gonna cut this hard part. I'm gonna cut in the half. You can cut in a half also. Also you can cut a little bit here, 2-3 times. So tempura will go inside. Also you can cut in a half as well if you want, like this way also. Now time to make tempura butter. To make the tempura butter, I'm gonna use this one, so when I'm going to dip it will be easy. It's a long pot, so I'm going to use the tempura butter, and just a little bit I'm going to use the tempura flour, so it will help to grab more tempura butter. When I'm doing the hot roll, deep fried sushi roll, also I'm doing this technique. Yes, I think it's enough for us. Cold water. If you have the icy cold water, it will be good. Otherwise, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. No need to mix too much, okay? Otherwise, the tempura butter are gonna start to make the gluten, and it will be a more chewy. It cannot be a more crunchy. Now we can dip in the tempura butter and gonna do the deep fried. Yes. And also you can, if you want to make a little bit more crunchy, you can add more tempura on the top, so it will be more crunchy. So bubbles, you can see here the bubble is coming in here. It will make more crunchiness and crispy as well. It's done. I'm gonna take out. Yes, finally we have had the asparagus tempura. It looks like so crunchy. Wow. Now we can make the sushi roll, okay? Let's go. I have here the nori seaweed. Seaweed always have the rough and shiny side. That is the rough side, as you can see here, and that is the shiny part. I'm going to make half. Yes, almost I'm gonna use 130 grams. The maximum is 130 grams, but 100 grams sushi rice will be a one bite sushi when you're gonna cut in 8 pieces. Yes, I'm gonna put in the middle, then separate it very gently and softly. When you're pushing the sushi rice upside, use the thumb finger like this way. And when you are taking downside, you can use all the finger, or you can use point finger. I feel here is a little bit more rice, so I'm gonna take out. Place the sushi rice all around the nori in the same quantity, equal quantity. Don't push too much. Now I'm gonna use white sesame seeds. It will give the extra level of aroma and crunchiness. And also I love to use the onion chips. I'm gonna flip it because I'm going to make inside out sushi roll. You can see here I'm putting a little bit more sushi rice on upside. I'll take downside. I'll leave just one finger here. I'm saying all the things very step by step, okay? For the inside, I'm gonna use the cucumber. Now I'm gonna use the avocado also. Then I will use the asparagus tempura. You can see here I have had the very beautiful and crunchy asparagus tempura, and just a little bit wasabi here. For the sushi rolling techniques, always take the bamboo mat like this, and the thumb finger will go downside, and all the rest 3 finger gonna secure the ingredients. Yes. Now take the bamboo mat and gonna roll it again. Okay, now I'm going to cut and do the plating. For the sushi cutting ideas, how to cut sushi roll, you can cut 1 stock. You will put the sushi roll and you will cut, or 3 stock, 1, 2, 3. And you can cut like this way, or you can put in between 2 fingers, point and middle fingers, so the knife cannot move. And always when you are cutting, use the water. Normally I love to use the teju, so the rice cannot be sticky here. Okay, let's cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Yes, and clean your knife. I'm gonna give the 1 time more squeeze. I'm gonna put here a little bit ginger and wasabi. Yes, this is how we can make the asparagus tempura sushi roll. That is the one way. As you can see here, that the beautiful sushi, it's called Asparagus Tempura Uramaki California Sushi Roll. Now I'm gonna make Asparagus Tempura Sushi Roll with Futomaki, okay? I'm gonna separate the sushi rice. If you don't know how to make sushi rice, you can check link on my description box, and I'll leave almost 3 finger here. Firstly, I'll use the wasabi. That is the optional. If you don't like the wasabi, no need to put the. I really love to use the wasabi because it will kill bacteria and it will increase flavor of the sushi roll. Then I'm gonna use the cucumber here. After that, I'm gonna use the avocado. And I'm going to use the onion chips here. I love to make colorful, so I'm gonna use freeze up capsicum, pimenta. It will give extra flavor, and also the sushi roll looks like a colorful. Skin of orange also. And I'm going to use the asparagus tempura. Also, I'm going to use a little bit sesame seeds. Let's roll it. No, I want to make more crunchy, so I'm gonna use just a little bit deep fried crunchy onion. I'm pretty sure this sushi roll will be really good. And gonna use a little bit teriyaki sauce. If you don't know how to make teriyaki sauce, you can check link on my description box. I'm gonna put there. Let's roll it. Wow. Can I roll it? Yes. Let's see. The roll will be a little bit big. Then roll it. Let's go. The closing part I'm gonna put downside so it will close properly. I'm gonna test this. How is it? Okay. Very good. Nice. I like. To cut Futomaki sushi roll, it will be really easy. Firstly, I'm gonna make the weight to my knife edge. Then I will start to cut in randomly, okay? And when you are cutting the sushi roll, you should always be careful. The size, it should be a 1 bite. Firstly, I'm gonna clean this part. I'm gonna cut it randomly. If you feel here is a little bit dirt, you can clean your knife so it will be easy to cut down. Let's do the plating. This is how we can make the beautiful and delicious asparagus tempura sushi roll. Also, we can say veg tempura sushi roll. For the vegan tempura, you can use different kinds of vegetables, carrot, asparagus, and also brinjal. Also, you can use the shiitake. Shiitake means the mushroom. It's a uramaki. That means the rice is outside, and here is rice is inside with colorful ingredients. That means it's the futomaki, fat sushi roll. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Now time to eat. Nice. The tempura is very crunchy.
Làm nó cũng đã thân hơn hay đi.